for the 2022 season, Pilote has introduced a new brand of what's meant to be cheaper motorhomes and campervans called Joa. I think that's the pronunciation. Might be something else, the pronunciation. Let's have a look at it. It says here, it says AB, that means from 39,809, 40,000 euros. And but this one here is going to cost 46,120. The idea of producing a cheap one using these colors, this sort of light blue, the yellow, the logo, that's clearly market defined for younger people who are perhaps a little less serious about life. That's how a little less serious. Well, I think you know what I mean. So that is how I see the branding of this vehicle, which is rather dark inside. I'll turn the lights on if I knew where they were. Oh, here they are. And allow camera to access this device's location. There you go. Allow camera to access this device. Right, I don't know what it is. All right, anyway, never mind. We'll just continue in the dark. And right, so the thing is, as a camper van, you know, it looks like all the other Fiat, Ducato, Citroen or Peugeot camper vans out there. Uses, I see some of the Pilote fittings, such as that. It does have, I would have to say, a reasonable sized bathroom in a 6-meter van, and that shower unit, first time I've ever seen it, is really very nice. I want to go in the shower now and have a wash. Turn the thing around. There's me in the shower. There's the door closed. That's quite good, I think. Can't complain at that really. That 6-meter van. That's not bad at all. Bit of space there for your shampoos, and that's a bit pointless, isn't it? Look, it's flat. Should be a ledge. It needs to be a ledge needs to be molded to stop things falling out. And if they ever used the vehicles, they would know that. But that is brilliant. That I do like that shower tray. So top marks for the shower tray. Let's have a look at the drawers now. It'd be nice if I had a light. Just want to work. No, not connected. There you are. Wide drawer, plenty of space in there. This is the same as all camper vans have. Dometic, sink. Right. Did read the press release on this product, and thing was, it was mainly about how the market is getting younger or something like that, which incidentally is not particularly true. I think to a large extent because of COVID, people are more thinking about going out in camper vans. You know, Citroen jumper. So what about here at the back? Comes with a balloon. Have a look under here. Yeah, that'll move up and down. There you go. And in here we will have, I think, the gas cabinet. There it is. The thing is, the problem here though, you know, it's a bit difficult to sort of manipulate it round. So I think it's, well, having said that, you know, if you've got it here, you've got one further back to manipulate. And as I always say, that is why you need a refillable option. And then all you do is you go to the fuel station and pump it in, as you do with your diesel. Okay, this one is a 63T, also Citroen. And this oh la la, I don't know, it's meant to be expression of surprise in French. It is a expression of surprise in French. Let's see here if any of the lights are working. That isn't. Oh, that one is. Yeah, that's the same. And at the back here, looks the same. And there's the fridge. Right, okay. So I can't see the difference between this and what the other Pilote vans are. They've got some motorhomes. We'll have a quick peek at them as well. 75T Joa camp at a price of $47,000. I don't like touching them screens. I thought, you know, with COVID we're not supposed to touch things, so why don't I just have a bit of paper? I remember bits of paper. Well, they could have something like that. It's an open van. It's a very open van. Bed up there. No, it's not expensive, of course, but I suppose if it comes from Pilote, it's less of a risk than some of these sort of own brand vans which are made in Poggibonsi or somewhere like that in Italy. Another 47,000 van. This one's got a queen bed. It looked much better with the lights on. Oh, hang on. I'll do something about that. Step up there. 230 centimeters wide. Well, we've got two more here. We'll have a quick look at them and then I'll call it a day with Joa. So this one here is the 70Q, which sort of indicates to me that it's going to have a queen bed in it. It comes at a cost of 46,000. Oh, sorry, price from 46,000. So once more, you just don't know how much the things cost. I think one day when I go into a van, I want to insist on seeing the one that costs the price that says from 70T, German layout, I presume. No doubt it's also from 46,000. Thing is, the price of a motorhome isn't much more than the price of the campervan. I do appreciate that a motorhome is much more difficult to drive, or may seem to be difficult to drive, than a campervan. But if you know you've got 10 years to pay, there's an extra 7,000 euros. That's 700 euros a year. Doesn't make that much difference. Obviously, there's charges and interest on top of that. Anyway, right, good. So that is the Joa, which was introduced for 2022 by Pilote as a brand, which is meant to be sort of cheaper, younger, something does allow you to have a slogan like "Be happy, enjoy life," and there you have it. Okay, so this van here, 46,120 euros. Joa, new brand. Thanks. All the lights are now coming on. Oh, what a difference that makes. Thanks for watching, and all the best from Düsseldorf.